Okay, Hovercraft.
One thing you're gonna need is a balloon, a CD or a DVD, a push top that you can find on any water bottle, and glue. The glue we are gonna be using is Gorilla Glue.
You can also use a hot glue gun.
So we have waited long enough. It is now completely dry and it won't come off. So now the thing you do is make sure the top is open. You can either open it up all the way, you can push it down just a little bit, and that kind of airflow is going to determine how high up this CD will go. Then you blow up your balloon. Once you blow it up, you can twist it a little bit. Twisting it just lets you be able to put it on before it runs out of air. And then place it on like so.
And then place it upright.
And there you go. Is you can also put a piece of tape down here underneath it, and you can poke a little bit of a hole in it, like smaller than what it is. And this will make the balloon last longer as it's going back and forth. Maybe you can also play around with the different types of bottle caps that we have out there, see which one works the best. All right, that's it. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe.